Hello everyone! By drawing the semicircular shape and then add the hair shape to the top. Afterwards, add the eyes to the top along with the eyelashes, a little nose and a smile accordingly. Add the rest of the neck as well, and then don't forget to draw the rest of the outfit. Continue to do so, then draw the rest of the body. Add the hands after you are done with this. Now add the little skirt underneath it and then add layers to it as well. Once you are done with this, move on to the feet and then draw on the feet as well. Once you are done with this, add the little socks or the shoes at the bottom as well. Add the rest of the hair at the back and then add a little bow to it on one of the sides. Once you are done, color all of this in as you please. Next, we'll start off by drawing the shape. This will be the V shape of the hair, and make sure it is an opposite V. Now add the eyes right underneath it, make them glistening. Add the rest of the face as a semicircular shape. Add the ears on either side and then add the rest of the hands and then the body. Now continue on and then draw the outfit, that is the top to begin with. Add a puffy skirt underneath it. Now make it look like this princess is holding a wand. Add layers to the skirt as such and then afterwards add long hair to this girl. Now join it to the back and then you may add a little crown as well to the top of it. Add little gems to it all around. After you are done with this, you may also color it in any color that you please. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape. Add the hair, that is in the shape of an opposite V at the top. Add the rest of the face to it. Now afterwards, you may continue on and draw the rest of the body. Add this ovular shape underneath and then add the arms on either side of it. After you have drawn the arms, add the legs underneath this and then add shoes to the base as well. Once you've added shoes to the base, now add a little stick to it as well. Now, after you've added the stick, add the mop head to it and then make it look like this person is mopping the ground with this. Begin to color it in any color that you please. We have colored the hair blonde and then color the outfit any which way you please. Next, we'll start off by drawing the circular shape. Add a little bow to the top. Now add the hair at the top as well. Add eyes to it and then add a little smiley face to it. Now add a bun at the back, add ears on either end, add the neck underneath it and then draw the rest of the body. Now add this little princess dress-like shape and then afterwards add these hands to it. Add a little wand connected to it and then afterwards add the legs at the bottom. Now add wings at the back to make it look like a fairy. We have added 2 layers of wings as you can see. Begin to slowly color it in. We have shaded the wings in a shade of light blue and have not colored it all the way. We have colored the dress in pink and blonde hair. Next, we'll start off by drawing this opposite V shape to draw the line of the hair. Underneath it, add a semicircular shape, add the face to this. Add the eyes, add a little smile to it as well, and then afterwards add ears on either side. Now draw the rest of the hair, and then afterwards add the detailing to it as well. Add this little flower shape at the top, and now add this top to it, on top of which you will draw the hands on either side. After this, draw a little skirt, a fluffy puffed up skirt to it. Now make it look like this girl is doing ballerina. Make one leg outstretched while one leg is on the ground, dress in pink, and then color her hair in brown. Next, we'll start off by drawing these 2 cross shapes and then afterwards make them into legs at the bottom. After you're done with this, make it into the shape and then at the top, make the arms out of this. Now at the top, draw the rest of the body and then draw the Superman symbol in the middle of this. You will be making Superman. Now after you've drawn the head, add the smile and then at the back of it all, you may also draw a cape. Make sure that you add as many details as possible to make it look all the more better. Now once you're done with this, you may choose to color it in should you please to do so. We have chosen to color it in red, blue and black accordingly. Thank you for watching.